So I accidentally screwed up on my phone when I started this, but you can see here's all my valves. I've lapped them. That's a pretty nice looking one there. That one's nice and fat, so they should seat pretty well. But here's my go no go sheet for the previous measurements, which I will be checking again. I had to get some other buckets to get it within spec here. We were a little too tight on cylinder 1 exhaust. So, but yeah, you can see here, I've already done it. I'll include the laps after this so you can kind of see how it goes. Basically what I was saying is this stuff has different grit sizes as you apply it. Starts at 120 and it grinds down to 220. I've got water here to add so that you can get a nice polish on the final few rotations. And some new valves that are going to replace these ones. Well, not new, but brand used out of that old head down there. But I was using silicone lubricant to put on the stem of the valve down the guides here so that I didn't cause any damage, because this is harder than the guide. So didn't want any of this stuff to get down in there. Used a nice silicone grease. I will be cleaning this head further once I'm done with all of this. Still have the exhaust side to do here, but this is a 2AZ for a Scion TC that is known as Stitch. So far so good. Here is, you can see the mess of things that I have, but the head gasket just kind of chilling here. Pistons are all cleaned, all the gaps are good. Sealed with fresh sealant, got the oil pump installed. So this is coming along nicely. Obviously we'll know if I did a good job or not once we start it up and it's in the car. So everything seems to be going pretty well, knock on wood. So yeah, updates will follow. Thanks for watching.